So in this question, we are looking at an electron, which is in the rectangular well with a well depth of 2 attojoules, which is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 18 joules. And it also states that there are 3 bound levels. And our goal is to find out the minimum and maximum possible widths of this well, Lmin and Lmax, minimum and maximum. Let's see. So in order to do this, let's see what the connection is between the width of the well and the um, let's see the connection between the width of the well and the number of palms. So we know that so we know this connection between the number of bound states and B, right? Where B is actually a function of L. So B over pi is going to be H over pi. So now let's just cancel out the pi. So okay, that brings us to n minus 1 plus some equal to root 2m v0 times L. Bring the 2 to the front by h plus some equal to that. Right. So and we know n is equal to 3. So we can basically write this as 2, and we can write this as 3. Now let's try to plug in the values. So 2 less than wrong with this, but yeah. So 2 less than or equal to 2 times the mass of an electron. So it's going to be, and we're looking at 2 attojoules, right? So 2 into, yeah, 10 to the power minus 18 joules times the width of the box divided by 6.626. Two is less than, there's no equal to there. Um, yeah. So now let's try to plug in the values for this and solve this. So that will be 2 less than 1.821 into 10 to the power 34 into so at this point, let's solve these two things separately. So 2 will be so this is what we have, and I realized that along the way we kind of left the units, so it's important to add the units. Let's just do the dimensional analysis here again. I believe we have done this a couple of times in the previous problems as well. And joule second is going to be kg meter per second. So when you take the square root of this, you're gonna get in the numerator you're gonna have kg meter per second. In the denominator you're gonna have this. It's supposed to be meter square like that. Yeah. So this will get cancelled and you'll end up with per 1 meter. 1 meter. Yeah, that will be the units that you have. So in this case, your length is going to be greater than their length will be greater than 5758. Length will be greater than 3.473 angstroms. Gets 10 to the power minus 10 meters. Now we want to look at that part of the question. So your length is going to be less than or equal to 3 over 5.2096 angstrom, right? So the minimum length is going to be 3.473 angstrom, and the maximum length of the or the width of the box is going to be 5.210 angstrom.